Hey sisters, it's date night and these curls I achieved in my previous video are not the look I'm going for date night. So I'm going to switch it up to a Fineapple pineapple for this night out with my husband. So first let me transform this face so I can get ready for this date. And we have partnered with Amazon.com and they are introducing Textures and Hues, which is a new shopping destination for all of our favorite hair products. So everything that you see in this video can be found there, and I'll place the link in the description box and you can go directly to Amazon.com/textures-hues. So what I'm doing here is planning out how I'm going to pull up my hair and if I'm going to leave any hair out. And I am using my staple, my Eco Styler olive oil gel to get my edges ready for me to pull it up. So I'm going to put gel around my edges and in the back. And guys, when I tell you this style takes a minute, I take a large band and I wrap it around twice, and the key is to pull all of your hair forward. Just try to make sure you pull all of your hairs forward as possible, if that makes any sense. And then you're just going to put the hair tie on, and you don't have to wrap it or anything. You don't want this to have a lot of tension. Number one, because you don't want any breakage, and number two, you want to be able to manipulate this style easily. So now I'm just going to define the tendrils on the sides with some Eco Styler gel. And not only did they send me my favorite products like the Eco Styler gel, but I also received some of my new faves like the Main Choice leave-in conditioner, and I have a new blow dryer. I know, I can't wait to share that with you guys. But also what's great about Textures and Hues is that you can not only shop by your favorite brand and products, but you can also shop by your hair type. And because it's Amazon, the shipping is going to be super fast and it's super convenient, and it'll save you a ton of trips to different stores trying to find all your favorite hair products. So those tendrils weren't quite working out for me, so I decided to put them away. But then I took them back out and I used some extra small perm rods to define those curls, just using the gel I had already put on there, and they're going to dry really quick. And what I'm doing now is just cleaning up some of my frizzies with the Eco Styler gel. Any parts that look a little too frizzy, I decided to just put a little bit on and twirl my finger around. And here you can see, like, this dried so quick, guys. You can see how defined the little tendril is now because of the small perm rod. So all I'm going to do is just mess around with my pineapple until I get it the way I like it, and I feel like this is more appropriate for date night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's pretty much a quick and easy way to transform your look. I mean, it literally takes like a minute to do. And until next time, peace out, sisters.